Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to duplicate a object along with the curves. For that example, I have taken my own model. Say in this model, we are working on the rifle bullets. Okay, I need to add bullets along through the curves. For that, I'll separate the geometry only the gun part, and I'll flow a curve according to my requirements. Okay, for that, I'm using the curves menu, and you can use the Bezier curve and draw as per your flow how you wanted to do. If for a better understanding, you can make a small shape and you can draw on that to have a proper lines. Here I have used that curve and convert it into Bezier into curves. Then I'm adding equal points. For that, you have to rebuild it. After the rebuild, you have to smooth ones so that it will distribute properly and the flow will be like very smooth. Okay. After that, I have my own bullet model that I need to flow against the mesh. Sorry, the curves. How we can make? We'll see now. This is the bullet which is having no straps. Just a bullet. Okay. We need three variations or more. For the rifle area, we need along with one straps, which means which will be stuck into some part. For that, we are creating mesh. In that mesh, we will create a curve and hold middle mouse and throw that curve inside that canvas area, input canvas. Okay, after that, you don't want to change anything, keep it hold. The steps, I'll keep one. Okay, you can adjust however you want. Now keep this one instant. Okay, instant. Sorry, initial state, and the number of points you want, which means the mesh. I can see some gaps. Okay, I don't want this gap. We can increase it to one more. Okay, if you see in this reference, we have that bullet holding some strap or whatever they call it. Okay, I have modeled one more variation along with that. Instead of keeping separate, I added with the bullet itself. Yeah, this is the one. So you can see these are two objects. Okay, it's not a single object. I combine together. After that, you have to unwrap it properly. Okay, once you make instances, you have to keep them like if you want, you can keep it in one place, or you can move that one like alternatively to give a variations. Now I'll add this one. I'll delete the old one. Now you see the same process. Okay, you keep them in the initial state, so it will follow the curves, and you can rotate. Like see, after adding this mesh, it will hide your geometry in the outliner. You can give the spacing however you want. So now we don't have enough bullets. Okay, we'll increase it. By default, it will be 10. You can make it more than 100 or however you want. Yeah, still I can see the spacings and see you can give the rotations. I'll show you now after filling this area. Done. 85. Yeah. Excuse me. Yes. Now select the bullet which you used and you can rotate. So I use the second one, bullet main tool. Now see, any direction you can rotate. It will be hidden, no problem. You can select in the outliner, you can move, rotate, scale, whatever it is. I'll show you. Just select the bullet in outliner. Go to attribute channel. Yes. Z's. You can rotate. So this is a non-destructive flow. You don't want to worry about these things. And even if you want to move that, you can select the curve and you can move that. There is no issues. It will follow. After that, duplicate that original mesh from the delete the mesh, no needed. Now this will be like instant. If you separate, no, it will look like instant. I always separate the objects. Okay, I don't want to keep them as a group, because if you do the textures, no, that entire bullets will look like similar, same. I break that duplications. Okay, then go to modify. That is modify, convert instant to object. That's it. If there is instant, it will break as an object. Now delete the history. Now, yeah. Now these are the separate objects. Okay, I'm using small plugins which is available in online. One is like random selection, another one is select similar. I'll group it so that I can have more control when we need to export separately for texturing. Okay, and for randomization also, like if I want to randomize all objects into different UV sets, I'll select one and click that select similar. It will select entire things. Group them more. Before that, whenever you select like that, isolate so that visible will be grouped. Rest will select wherever the similar object is available or similar vertex is available, same topology, whatever it is. Then hide one group, then remaining is there, no? Select them and group the distance. These bullets separate. Okay. Now we'll work on only bullets. Select something, click on the random selection. Yeah. Then group it. So I'm using the manual flows here. For me, I have shortcuts for group and under. For a few steps, I'll follow through menu. Yeah. So vice versa, you have to group, add like that. Then later, select the group and move the UDM. If you're using UDM, you can move the UDM, or else you can use the texture sets. If it is for game model, then you have to use the single atlas. In that itself, you can adjust or use that UV sets. So I'm making some groups separately. Same way for the strip. I call strip, but you can name it whatever it is. So I have two random selections. Okay, just to show I'm using both of them. If you want, you can download anything. It's free. This is percentages. Okay, that is random. It will randomly pick. So this is the last group, and hide all. And now you can start your distribution, UV distributions. Okay. So don't forget to break that instances. Okay, I have trouble in before recording this. I was checking like keep on moving somewhere, but after that when you select the group, again it will be in the same place, which means it is like instant. Don't get panic. Just select the object, convert the instant into object. That's it. It will work for you. While selecting group and move, better you select the shell instead of UV vertex. Sorry. I think you guys will be familiar with the UV2 toolkit. Okay, I'm just using this one to move on specific area like which UDM. The right side arrow is for U. The upper side which is showing that is for sorry U. The right side is V. It's very nice, very properly. Even if you want, you can randomize, but I don't want to do this. I don't think so. It will be like little. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I think you like it. This is a tips, okay, and it's not a like main tutorial. Whenever people are asking in my social media, I'm trying to cover up that if I'm free. Thank you for watching. Good luck.